Hey guys, one sec. Okay, so I'm here in town right now, and I think something happened. I think there's like a car crash or something, cause look, there's like 911 and the police and all those people are here, and like I'm gonna see if I can get a closer look and see like what happened. Oh wow. Whoa. Okay, so there was a car crash. And police are all like right there. Once I cross the road, I'll show you more. I just can't have them see me. Okay. So like, if you can see the back, that of the car right there, it's pretty messed up. So yeah, I hope no one was hurt or anything. That's the end of the video. Bye.